Muingi Itemiini ria Guthondeka na Kuheyana Ibandi Cia Kiriu Muthenya wa Umuthi. Ministry ya Thama na Wandikithia Niicemanirie na Ahuri Biacara Guku Ahuri Biacara acio ni mahimbiirie Mutaratara uyu na makiria makiranira kunyita mbaru.
We need the gender parity. We need gender. We are telling the private sector, we are partners on this. This is only government. It's to the people of Kenya. It belongs to many stakeholders. That is why on Wednesday, we are the civil society, today we are the leaders group. Today, we have the private sector, the captains of the industry, who are the primary consumers of this very important project. So we are happy to tell the country that we are on course with UPI, we are on course with Maisha number, and we believe that Maisha number, the digital ID, is the foundation of citizen services, is the foundation of accuracy in identity. So we are working together, agreed we are going to receive memos from the we can work together as a team.
We are very happy to have participated in this consultative meeting regarding the new identification card, and we realized that I think a lot had not been brought to us. We are very happy because now everything is being put open to us, and we are willing to partner with the government to ensure that this project is a success. We want to tell our private sector members outside there that even if you have not been here, I think you need to get a bit of time to interact with this process. This process is very educative. 2, it has got a lot of meaning. 3, it puts us on the next level where we will be at the level of the international best practice. We don't want to continue, yet everybody around us and around the region has moved on.
Na tukithie na mbere munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi wa Gachagua